For 60 years, Lamborghini has played a crucial role in shaping the automotive landscape, emphasizing innovation, design, and performance. What began as a quest to challenge the established status quo in the sports car world has led to a line of vehicles that continue to inspire and amaze. Before venturing into sports cars, Lamborghini started as a tractor manufacturer. Founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini in 1948, Lamborghini Trattori became a significant name in agricultural equipment by 1959. Known for their quality and innovation, these tractors played a key role in building the financial foundation for Lamborghini's entry into the automotive world. The transition from tractors to high-performance cars reflects a unique and visionary chapter in the brand's history, showcasing the entrepreneurial spirit that has come to define Lamborghini. Some of the most famous Lamborghinis emerged from under the German automaker's wing, including the Murcielago and Gallardo. Rather fittingly, the company still produces tractors to this day. Lamborghini tractors are known for their bold style, their performance, design, and exclusive appeal that sets them apart. Please like and subscribe.